And welcome back to another edition of sports news here on this channel. EX-MLB star Manny Ramirez signs with Japanese Kochi Fighting Dogs. Tokyo former Major League outfielder Manny Ramirez has agreed to terms with the Kochi Fighting Dogs of Japan's independent Shusuke, I don't know how to pronounce that, Island League. The team announced the signing Monday on its official website. The 44-year-old native of the Dominican Republic played for the EDA Rhinos of Chinese professional baseball in Taiwan in 2013. Hitting average was .352, with 8 home runs and 43 RBIs. The 4-team independent league is based in the place I can announce, the smallest of the least populars of Japan's 4 main islands. Ramirez finished his 19-season major league career with a lifetime batting average of 312, 555 home runs, and 1,831 RBIs. Well, congratulations on signing with Japan Baseball League. Hope you do well down there. And if I hear any more news about anything else, sports related, sports related or wrestling news, please subscribe. Unstoppable out.